Okay guys, so I'm back. Got some good news, got some okay news. So as you can see on my live account, I'm almost up 2.5k on my funded with FTMO, which is good. I've taken two trades on it, or I've taken a few trades on it. Um, I've lost no trades on it. Literally my average loss is $25. My risk to reward is 31. So this is good news. My win rate's 60 because I've obviously hit break even on a couple of the trades that I've taken. I've got 2.5k almost payout, so this account is due to be scaled very soon, I hope. I started this account, so July, 4 months. So I've started this account in March, the end of March, which is good. I've almost done, I think I've nearly done 5% on the account now. So I need to make another 5% in 2 months, which is basically possible, and that'll be an extra 25% on top of what I've got now. So the account will be, instead of 100k, it'll be 125k, which would be nice. So I'm not trading this account no more. I've got 2.4k payout, which is very nice, which will be on the 15th of May. I've already choose my reward date. So if I refresh it, there you go, you can see it's live, everything's live. Obviously the consistency score is always going to be like this until you take quite a few trades on the account. So yeah, I took a 1.3k and I took a 1k trade. Obviously this was 0.01 just to get the account going from the 1st of May so I can get my payout. So that's the good news. I've got a nice little payout coming. Also, if I go back to the metrics on the phase one on two accounts, I'm minus 3% on this account. I took a big loss today. I took 2.4% loss. This account, as you can see, has just been consolidating. Probably, I said I'm going to try and pass them phase one by the end of this week, but that's obviously not happening now. Probably my last trade will be on Friday, and hopefully I can get the account back to break even, which will be good for me. So as you can see, my average risk reward on it is 1.2 and my win rate is 4. So win rate is 41%, which isn't good. I've been going aggressive on it, so it kind of makes sense. Like on the funded, I haven't lost one trade. Like I've lost one trade on the funded and I've taken 10. I'll show you guys that in a second because I've got a new spreadsheet that I'm using. And on this account, I took a big 3.5% loss because I kind of wanted to go for a one-to-one. Like I risked 3.5% to make the rest. Like I was up 5% almost, and I wanted to make the 5k today, which obviously didn't happen. So on this account, my average risk is 1.26 and my win rate is 46%. It's obviously more than that because, as you can see, like some trades have been break even and stuff. So my win rate is probably 50% or 55%, and then my risk to reward is 1.3 on here. So it could be better. I mean, the thing is, I was kind of trying to rush them because I wanted to get them done this month, which is still possible. But I think I've kind of got to take my time now instead of rushing it because, as you can see, rushing it isn't working. So I refresh the funded next. I'm minus 1%, which is all right. What was the loss today that I took? Today's permitted loss, I lost 1.7% on this account today. If I go onto the trading overview, so my average risk to reward is 1.3 on here, which is not good, and my win rate's 45%. So hopefully the next few trades that I take, I'll be positive on all the accounts. Like if I can get positive 5% on all the accounts by next week, like it'll be good. So by the 15th, let's say by my next payout with FTMO, if I've got these accounts up to like 5% or past phase one, that'd be nice. At least if I pass one or two, like I said. So that's the news with this. And I've also got this funding journal that I'm using right now. I've only logged one of my funded accounts with it so far. So you can see this is kind of cool. Like it's solid. So I've journaled all the trades that I've done plus my withdrawals on the account on this account here. So if I go back onto it, I can go onto the dashboard. You can see that I've made in April 2.3k and I made on May 2.4 right now, which is good. You can see my average loss is $341 on the funded account. My largest loss is $1,300. my win rate's 85% because I've only lost 2 trades. So even when you go on to break even, so for example, if I scroll through here and you can see my break evens, I've only lost 14, 24 and 108. So this is good. So if I go back onto the strategy report, I think, no, dashboard. So you can see my number of losses is 1. My longest win streak is 3. My number of break-evens is 3. Open trades is none. Largest loss is 1200. My biggest win is 1300. My average win is 886. So I've taken 10 trades in 3 months on this account and I'm up. If I go to, where do I find it? So if I go to here, you can see win rate 85%. My total P&L is 4K on this account in 2 months, which is good. Well, I took my first trade on 28th of March, April, May. Yeah, so it's been a month and a half and I've made 4K on this account, which is good. Obviously, I can also put notes on it. You can see that the percent gain on here was only 0.26, 0.3, just because I wanted to take the profit just to get my withdrawal back. So that's good. Obviously, my average P&L would be more if these trades were a bit higher, but I just wanted to get my withdrawal, you know? So yeah, this, I wish I could send you the link, but I'm not sure how I paid for this. I think I paid like £10 for it. And like, I can go to months, I can go to May, for example. You can see I've made 2.4K in May. If I go to March, I made 580. And if I go to April, I made 1K. So if you go to all in all, 4K total. That's just for one account. Like once I start adding all my accounts, so I can add another account. So this is just for FTMO funded. All my other fundeds I can also add on here, which is great. I would have done the challenges as well, but I'm already too deep into the challenges and I don't really want to write them manually. Unless I can do it automatically, then I would do that, but I don't know how to do that. So this is the dashboard. It's really cool what I'm using here. Like, yeah, this is gonna, I'm always gonna log my accounts. I can do up to 5 accounts. So these will be all the funded accounts that I've got and that I will have. I'm just gonna log all of them here and then I can just flick through them. Like once I go to the dashboard, I can flick through an account and see how that account's doing, how much I've gained on that account. And you can even see like, if I go to my dashboard, you can see my total withdrawal 1700 plus another 2.5K on here, or 2.35K that I've got here. That's also going to be added to the withdrawal, which is, it's pretty good, man. So I think I'm just going to take my time now on these challenges because the over risking isn't really working right now. You know, I'm minus 3% on this account. If I can get this back to break even by Friday, like on Friday, I'll be happy. This account, if I can get it back to 4 or 5%, I'll be happy. And this account, if this is up like 1 or 2%, I'll be happy with that as well. So that's just a quick update. This is day, God knows, day 2, day 3, I'm just going to call it. So yeah, now I've got this dashboard. This is going to help a lot because I can see where I'm going wrong. I can see how big my losses are, how small my losses are, and everything like that on the funded account. And so if I go on a new tab, I've also got a challenge journal. So, okay, what's going on here? Yeah. Hello, internet, are you working? So yeah, as you can see, if I go into the challenge journal here, I've also got FTMO challenge journal. I haven't started it. I haven't logged any of it yet. Literally, it's just clean. So maybe I'll just delete these, and then what I'm going to do is once I buy more accounts, obviously, hopefully if I get another 2 accounts on these funded, that will be added to the funded journal, which will be here, which will be very good. So I'm going to take my time on the funded, on the challenge phases now. Hopefully from the 15th, once I get this payout, I'm going to try and get another payout for the 30th or the 1st of June, which will be nice. If I can get another 2 or 3K on that, that'll be good. So that's consistently every 2 weeks, getting like 2%. I know it's a lot, but sometimes I risk more than I should. But that's just how I do it. Like I have my plan, I have my trading plan, and this is how it works for me, and it works for me, as you can see. So like, yeah, it's good. I don't really want to think negative about it. So yeah, that's it for now. Subscribe, there's going to be way more videos coming. I still don't really know how to use this because I just bought it yesterday, but as I can see, it's a very solid tool. So I'm going to be using this consistently now. If anyone's got any idea on, like, if I do a challenge journal, for example, and I want to start journaling from now, that would be nice if you could be able to help me. But the thing is, I don't know whether to start doing the journal from like my next trades that I take, you know, because obviously the starting balance isn't this. I'm going to change them. I'm going to change the starting balances, and then I'm just going to go from there, basically. So maybe I'll just do the challenge accounts like this, and I'll start them like at minus 96.92, then this one at plus 1372, then this one at minus 992.95. So maybe I decide to do that instead, because I did take big losses today. I wanted to short the markets, but as you can see, it literally, my stop loss was like, if I go on to the metrics and then I go to my stop loss, it was 3398. As you can see, it tapped me out by 10 pips and it's gone back down. My entry was 3386, so I would have been at just over break even now, which is fine. I mean, I could have waited for this setup here at 245 and started to take shorts from here, but you win some, we lose some. I mean, I was rushing it. If it was my funded account, I probably wouldn't have taken that trade, you know, but it's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, Friday's a new day, so I'm just going to take my time and hopefully I can run up these accounts that I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm going to try and figure out how to send you a link on this. Yeah, I'm going to try my best to see, because it was on Etsy, I bought it. Can't remember the name of it now, but I'll try and link the person's name on it, the link for it, and then I guess we'll go from there. So no cuts, no skips here. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow or this week, like Friday, I can tell you that I'm up on my challenge phases, which would be nice. So yeah, like, subscribe, I'm here, I'm ready for more.